All right, welcome back to another episode. Myself, Luke. So it's looking absolutely epic with Bitcoin right now. If we're at the moment, I'm just looking at the monthly chart. If we just zoom out and look at the big picture, it looks so bleak here back in at the beginning of quarter one, early this year, and now all of a sudden we've gone from 74k back in April 1st, 74k. This was 6 weeks ago. And now we're at 107,000 US dollars. So we have basically pumped all the way about 45%, 45% in Bitcoin. So yeah, I like looking at the monthly now and again just to look at the perspective especially when things are dumping, having a pullback. It's very easy to get emotional and to sell, but that's why you have to stick to your game plan. And I've been saying a lot on my channel the different levels to watch out for, and that these things could happen. I've been talking about the pullbacks in the past and how things are correlated. Obviously not 100% correlated, but history does rhyme with these cycles. And so right now, where are we in the cycle? In my opinion, we're in that banana zone, and we've got it's a moment of time until we blast off to new all-time highs. We're not that far from 109, whatever our last all-time high was, which was very recently back in January. And yeah, I would not be surprised now this week that we go to our price target. If you remember, if you're with me looking at this bull flag, I think I did this, when did I form this bull flag? I think it was last week. Yeah, it was last week. We looked at this bull flag pattern, and we are on course basically to meet our target of 109,000, 110k, which would be technically the next new all-time high. And I reckon if we do go up to there, then we're basically in no man's land, and we could just blast off to 120, 150, who knows, 200,000 US dollars per Bitcoin. So things can happen extremely fast. And like I just showed you on the monthly time frame, for me, in my opinion, we've got this. We're entering that banana zone of Bitcoin, where it's anybody's guess to the upside. So it's going to be very difficult to keep level-headed, especially when you see your portfolio do a 2, 3, 4x. And most of you are here probably for the altcoins. So what will happen is Bitcoin will take center stage. It's got most of the dominance at this moment, like 64% or whatever. Then it will be Ethereum, Solana, the top 10, top 20 coins. And what will happen is, like I was reading here, this news report about the altcoin surge, it gains strength as basically Bitcoin profit taking Spark's rotation. So basically, in a nutshell, what we'll see is Bitcoin lead the way. Many investors into Bitcoin, they will cash out, and then they will want to make massive higher returns, higher gains. And the best thing for them is, well, they go into the altcoins and they start buying altcoins, because you're going to make more X's or more gains a lot faster, and it'll be a lot bigger. So it's all looking the technical is looking very, very bullish for higher prices. So it's all, it's looking fantastic for Bitcoin, and then obviously the altcoins will follow. So right now we're still in the Bitcoin season. We're in the greed area as well, so just be careful of this. If we're going to extreme greed for an extended period of time, it's not that great. But the altcoin season is basically looming. It's around the corner, and when it happens, I think it's going to absolutely melt faces, and that's what will happen. And then all of a sudden, it will be over, and we'll be back in the bear market. So it's exciting times. Just stick to your game plan, whatever plan. Hopefully you have a plan, because things are going to move very, very fast. If Bitcoin goes to its all-time high and goes beyond that, things are going to happen very, very quickly, and it's going to be very difficult, guys and girls, to sell when your emotions are basically all over the place. You're looking at your portfolio every other day and you're seeing it 2x over a couple of weeks. So anyway, let me know in the comment section where you think Bitcoin is going to go, which altcoins you're interested in. I want to get back into altcoins as well. For me personally, it's gaming and AI, but I'm open to all other types of altcoins. So let me know your list, maybe top 5 altcoins maybe I can jump into it and have a look and speak more about where I think, for example, Solana, where I think Solana is going to go during this bull run, anything in AI or gaming, any new tokens that you want me to talk about, let me know in the comment section. I'll read the comments and then I will take a deep dive into those projects. So guys and girls, fasten your seatbelts, because right now I reckon before the end of this week, hopefully I can bring more videos out tomorrow and Friday. We could be hitting new all-time highs by the end of this day, if not probably at the end of this week, but let's see. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys and girls, and I will see you next time with another video. Bye bye.